Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I am at a pool who just went through a recent bad lightning storm, and they thought their pump was dead. There's no power coming to this, even though there was power coming to the back of the drive. There's nothing showing on the display, and these things have built-in surge protection. And 9 times out of 10, when that type of situation happens, you come out to your pump after a bad storm and it's dead. There's a way that you can wake it up out of surge protection mode. And what you do, if you hit at the same time the plus and the 1 button all at the same time, you press it, release it, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to wake that pump back up to get it rocking and rolling again, just what we saw here. So anyways, hopefully that video helps for a quick trick and tip on how to wake these up if they do go into surge protection mode after a bad storm. Take care, like and subscribe, and have a great day.